Hold up. I need it.
Alright. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna choose dog. Just gonna choose.
Oh, I was gonna choose that guy. I'm gonna be.
Hold on, what time is it?
I'm gonna be that skeleton
2:06
guy.
a.m. Damn it. We should
Holy
be asleep
shit.
by now, bro. School's today. Basically today since it's already 2 in the morning.
But we gotta go get some sleep.
Yeah, we gotta go get some sleep. Let's go.
So
I'm gonna sleep right here, bro.
I'm gonna sleep up top with you, gang.
Yeah, sit down there right now.
Hey, no way.
Like me a little
Hey,
bit.
night, 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 night.
Oh shit! I can't believe we have a test tomorrow.
Oh, oh,
Bro, what are you doing?
stop bullying us, bro.
Nah, bro.
Bro,
Y'all annoying us.
why you bullying us
Y'all
every
be
day?
Bro, it's always you two.
Number 2.
It's always bullying us, bro.
Nah,
Stop
bro.
it,
To
bro.
bully him with.
I hate when you guys
No.
bully us every day.
I hate when you two bully us, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
We can bully anybody we want. You're next
Yeah, we can
nerd
bully
right there.
everything we want.
Yo, hold up.
Bully
Come here.
them.
Come here.
Yo, should we bully them? Should we bully them right now?
Yeah, bro.
Well, nerds, bro. They're
Sure, why not?
nerds.
Yeah, you're just like you.
Hey. Yo. Ow! What the frick? Ow! Ow! Ow!
Hey, back off him.
Yo, nerds. Don't think y'all can defeat me. Yeah,
Let's
fuck
go.
off, nerds.
I'm so tired of this.
Stupid!
Yeah.
Get out of here, stupid!
Oh, bro. You
Yeah,
good, bro?
Get out of here.
Yo, bro.
I hit into your eye, bro. You good?
Stop.
Damn, bro. You got a black eye, bro.
Yeah,
You
bro.
okay, bro? That looks like it hurts,
Yeah.
bro. Here, let me get
Yeah, it hurts a
Nice
little
pack.
bit, bro.
Here. There I go.
Thank you.
Got you.
Is it bad?
Yeah, it's really bad, bro. Damn, hopefully you feel better, bro. Damn. Alright, bro. I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. I'm so tired of these people, bro. Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, and we have some pretty sad news. A fellow at Brooklyn Middle School, fellow student at Brooklyn Middle School, has sadly passed away by suicide.
Did you guys hear what happened to Aiden, bro? He shot himself.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, bro.
Because of
I
you.
feel bad for him, bro. We used to bully
Me
him
too,
all day
bro.
now. And he ended
bro.
his life because of that.
We shouldn't have bullied him. We should have bullied him today. Man, I feel bad for him too, man.
sucked, bro.
For real.
Well, do you guys want to at least, like, go
Okay.
to the festival?
Sure.
Alright, yeah. Oh, tomorrow at 5 a.m. 5 p.m. Alright. Now we're here.
I brought my
Alright.
bat just in case, like, any clown's trying to creep up.
Alright.
Monsters.
Oh, this looks pretty fun. You know, a lot of people, it still looks fun. Hey,
Yo.
I'll go in here.
Yo, I'm gonna go check out that tonight.
Alright. Yeah.
Oh, what am I doing?
Us
What am I
three
doing?
will
What?
check out here. Yo, what is this, bro? It's so
Because of a phone point on
Bro, this is so cool, bro. It's actually so cool.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go see what Squirrel's doing.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Yo,
Yo. Yo, what?
What happened to him, bro?
yo,
That's cool.
yo, he's dead.
Or?
Carl,
Bro?
Carl.
Chad, does he have a pulse?
Gotta get out of here, bro. This is too scary. Go. you guys want to go to a haunted shipwreck?
Sure.
Shipwreck?
Bro, you know what? I heard there was a broken part all the way on top of that thingy, bro. We should go all the way on top of there. Probably just
Yeah, let's
like
go check
some
it. Let's go
jewelry.
check it. Go, come on.
We're gonna need some.
Coming there. It's gonna be pretty fun. Whoa!
Oh my god.
Holy.
Wait, what is
Let me check the
that?
water and see if it's good.
What is
Pretty good.
Wait, bro. Bro, what is that? I don't think this water is safe to swim in, though.
Yeah.
Oh, so what is it though?
Alright, shall we go all the way on?
Yeah.
Me and
what's up?
him will go like explore over there,
Alright.
and then you can explore over there. All right.
Guys, I'm back.
Alright.
I mean, after all, he's. It is
Yeah, it is cold, but it'll get warmer soon.
No. Yo. What is that? What is that? What is that stick now in the water? Is that a floating stick? I'm gonna grab this phone. Yeah! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Okay, guys.
Please, King. Please, King.
Okay, guys. I should have sent you guys a link for the practice for the test tomorrow.
Man, I'm not gonna practice, bro.
Practice for the test tomorrow. Johnny?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, I'll give you a hall pass. Come here.
Quiet, bro.
All of my friends died because of me. It's all my fault.
Now you die.
Bro, Junior, you guys are all back. Bro, what happened? Yeah, what happened, bro? Yeah, all of you guys died. I can't believe all of you guys are back. All of you guys are back.
Yep.
Aiden,
I'm
I want to say something. I'm sorry for bullying you, bro.
It's fine, I forgive you.
wait, my head is back.